thunderstorm warning for Lincoln County, Southern Ferry County in Northeast Washington, Spokane County in Northeast Washington, Southern Stevens County in Northeast Washington, until 6:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:48 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 16 miles southwest of Plummer to 11 miles southeast of Davenport to 17 miles northeast of Warden, and moving north at 35 to 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Spokane, Cheney, Liberty Lake, Airway Heights, Medical Lake, 9 Mile Falls, Millwood, Davenport, Otis Orchards, Fairwood, Green Acres, Country Homes, Suncrest, Trentwood, Dishman, Town, and Country, Otis Orchards, East Farms, Meade, Fairchild Air Force Base, and Lincoln. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Areas of flowing dust are expected
Stupid as fuck.
thunderstorms. Motorists can expect poor visibilities and should reduce speeds accordingly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington: Ferry, Lincoln, Spokane, and Stevens. To 5 p.m.